Are you seeing duplicate music tags in your audio files? Duplicate or unwanted metadata can make your music library look messy and may cause incorrect information to appear in media players. In this guide, I'll show you how to remove duplicate music tags in MusicBrainz Picard step by step. Let's get started. First, open MusicBrainz Picard and click Add Files or Add Folder to import the songs you want to clean up. You can work with a single track or an entire music library. Next, select your files and click Lookup or Scan to identify the correct album and track information. Matching your music ensures that MusicBrainz Picard has accurate metadata ready to replace outdated or unnecessary tags. Now open Options and review the tag settings. MusicBrainz Picard rewrites supported metadata based on the matched release, replacing incorrect values with updated information. If you've created custom scripts or plugins that write extra tags, review or disable them if they are adding duplicate metadata. Keeping your tagging settings simple helps avoid unnecessary duplicate fields. Once you've confirmed the metadata, click Save. MusicBrainz Picard writes the updated tags to your music files, replacing existing supported tag values with the corrected information. This helps keep your music library clean and consistent. Finally, open your music files in your preferred media player or tag editor and confirm that the unwanted duplicate information has been removed or corrected. If duplicates remain because they were created by another tagging application, you may need to remove those custom fields manually before saving the files again. And that's how to remove duplicate music tags in MusicBrainz Picard. Regularly updating your metadata and reviewing your tagging settings helps keep your music collection accurate, organized, and free of unnecessary tag information. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.